In this video, I'm about to show how to erase easily on ibisPaint X. When drawing lines, too frequently used commands are undo and redo. As opposed to drawing on paper, you can delete the line that you have just drawn with one tap if you don't like it. If you're not used to using the app, it may be hard to draw the line that it's in your head, but that's the same for everyone. After drawing 10 lines, you can tap the undo button 10 times to return to the original state. Undo can also be used for changes to layer order, changes to layer opacity, clearing layers, deletion of layers, and creation and clearing of sections. If you make a mistake and clear a layer, don't stress. Use undo to move back a step. Using the undo command after drawing is okay, but when you want to create clean joints between lines, you should try the eraser. Choose the eraser from the tool section window. Next, open the eraser properties window. The eraser setting window is almost the same as the brush setting window. Brush patterns are the same. When using an eraser, the most frequently used are dip pen soft and dip pen hard. This time, let's select dip pen hard, 16px or pixels. Next, let's zoom in on the joint and clean it up with your eraser. When doing a line, drawing it is common to hold both the dip pen and the eraser at the same time. You can use the brush/eraser toggle button to change between the brush tool and the eraser tool with one tap. People often say that their fingers are too big or that they can't see where they're drawing, but the majority of people who post images to ibisPaint are using their fingers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.